said I don't know how the rest of you feel out here, no doubt about it. I can only speak for myself. And I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. I don't see nothing wrong. Trinitron9 DiveBomberIL1800 County Island, bumping and grinding, bumping and grinding, bumping and grinding.
Waving it there, Trinitron9, Snowman from the Mobile.
Waving it right back, Snowman in the Mobile. Keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. Snowman, Trinitron9 with the afternoon wave. Just got down.
I got it. Cruise control. Trinitron9, your friend, 325.
And that's at 325. You said you got it on cruise control. Cruise control. Take care, Snowman. Trinitron9 DiveBomberIL1800 County Island. Bye, bye, bye.
Catch you later. 73s.
Check.
Trinitron9, you're 1-800
Hey, 1-800, here I come, walking on that water. Hey, 1-800, here I come, walking on that water. Have a good evening, have a good week. 1-800, Trinitron9, get down. Bye. There's something strange in the neighborhood. Who you gonna call? I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I need somebody to step up to the plate, man. You know I don't do no ghost talking. I need somebody to step all the way up to the plate, because I don't do no ghost talking, and I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Trinitron9 DiveBomberIL1800 County Island. Got down?
Hello out there, T9. Hey, T9,
Here I come, dive bomber. Hey, dive bomber, here I come, walking on that water, riding the wave of the County Island. Good evening, dive bomber. Trinitron9 County Island. Break.
Yeah, hello, right back here. Hey, man, I just want to see if I can get you your station's kind of ailing. I'm running low power down here right now, but I heard you out there singing, T9. I just had to wave my hand one time. Take care, T9. Trinitron9, be careful on the water. DiveBomber, Illinois, get back out of the way.
And I appreciate it, dive bomber, Illinois. I will be careful in the water. Hey, dive bomber, I will be careful in the water. And just remember, dive bomber, I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. I don't see nothing wrong. I'm bumping and grinding right there. Take care. Bye.
Sling Blade, where'd you go? 8289, where'd you go?
Get your mind for Sling Blade 289. Get your mind for Sling Blade 289. Cause I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. Trinitron9 County Island. Got down?
Hey, what I want to hear nothing, you quit talking. With a little bump and grind.
You know it ain't nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. I'm on my grind right now and I'm bumping it right there. You know it ain't nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. Trinitron9 with the afternoon wave. Got down? The question is, and I only got one question, who's going to clean up my radio? That's the only question on the table. Who's going to clean up my radio? I don't have any other questions. That's the only question I got on the table in these deep waters of Coney Island. Who's going to clean up my radio?
Yeah, you are too, man. That's right outside the roll the gate on you. You know, Trinitron, y'all was both coming up in there. You him up when you talking, but
when you ain't talking, I could hear him. I thought I'd just sit back here and be quiet and roll the gate over there and let you go look at it when I was done, but you quit talking on me. But anyway, I got you in there now because we both live on it. We both live and you kicking and rocking, ain't no doubt about it.
I don't know who's kicking and rocking. I don't know who's rocking and rolling, who you're talking to out there. But I know I'm bumping and grinding. I'm sticking and moving. I know I'm bumping and grinding, and I'm sticking and moving. Trinitron9, Deep Waters of Coney Island. Got down? Nothing wrong.
Alright, man, I ain't gonna keep you on here all day. I just decided to run a gate on you and send us a good out here. But we'll catch you out there a little later on. I'm sure this won't be the last of it. It looks like me and you we got a string on, and you got a can, and I got one, and the string's stretched tight. I can't get it out. But anyway, we got real good conditions between each other. But I'm gonna sit back over here and read the mail. Hey, Swing Blade, old Bible Thumper out here. Oh, we are getting on down.
Hey, Bible Thumper, Trinitron9 said, tell Swing Blade I said good afternoon. Hey, Bible Thumper, tell Swing Blade I said good afternoon. Bible Thumper, Trinitron9, break, break, break. Ghost talking, and I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I don't do no ghost talking, and I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Trinitron9 in these deep waters of Coney Island just got down. Yeah, come again, walking on that water, riding the wave is a dirty job, but somebody got to do it. Yeah, I come again, walking on that water, riding the wave. I said it's a dirty job, but somebody got to do it. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. And I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. I don't see nothing wrong. Somebody might see something wrong with that, but I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. I'm bumping and grinding right there. Bumping and grinding, bumping and grinding, bumping and grinding out of these deep waters of Coney Island. Trinitron9 just got down.
Trinitron9 or D9
Watchmaker, here I come. Hey, watchmaker, here I come. Hey, watchmaker, you know I ain't afraid of no ghosts. You already know that. Hey, watchmaker, here I come. Walking on the water, riding the wave, taking names and numbers, taking names and numbers. I'm taking names and numbers. Watchmaker, Trinitron9, Coney Island. Break, break, break.
Numbers down here, man. You're coming over the top of everybody. Hey, Trinitron9, you're coming over the top of everybody like you always do. T9 in the deep waters, riding the wave. Watchmaker, topside of pile, right back.
I told you I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Hey, watchmaker, I told you don't believe what you hear. Hey, watchmaker, I told you don't believe what you hear. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Hey, watchmaker, do not believe everything you hear. I don't care what they say. I ride the wave, I walk in the water, and I take names and numbers. I take names and numbers. Hey, watchmaker, Trinitron9, right there, right now. Break, break, break. Watchmaker, I don't know what happened right there. I don't know what happened right there, but I didn't get no conditions coming back right there. But I understand it happens that way sometimes. But I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I'm still walking on this water. I'm still riding the waves, and I'm still taking names and numbers. I'm still walking on this water. I'm still riding the waves, and I still ain't afraid of no ghosts. Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Island. Got down.
You just gotta.
That's right. It ain't nothing wrong with it. It ain't nothing wrong with it. No doubt about it. It ain't nothing wrong with it. I think I just heard 250 bump it down right before I keyed it down, waving the hand. Hey, watch me. It ain't nothing wrong with a little bump and grind, man. I ain't got the best conditions on you right now, but I just want you to know, don't believe what you hear. I don't care what they say. Don't believe what you hear. I ain't afraid of no ghosts, and I'm taking names and numbers. Walking on this water and riding these waves of the Coney Island. Take care, watchmaker, and all the good time gang. Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Island. Just got down. You tell Brown Hornet I said good evening. You tell Brown Hornet I said good evening. Bye, bye, bye. Top of the evening, top of the evening, top of the evening. You know I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Bye, bye, bye. Let me just stand straight and tall one more time in these deep waters of Coney Island. Let me just stand straight and tall. I'm just going to stand straight and tall. I'm not going to walk on the water. I'm just going to stand in the water straight and tall. One more time. That's all. I'm just going to do it one more time. And I don't see nothing wrong with a little bump and grind. I don't see nothing wrong. Trinitron9, deep waters of Coney Island, pulling it back. I'll catch y'all in the next wave. I'll catch y'all in the next wave of the Coney Island.
Hey, Trinitron, I hope when I retire, I feel as good as you do.
You know it, man. All I got is time and the Most High. That's all I got. Hey, 250, all I got is time and the man upstairs. So you know it's all good. 250, Trinitron9, walking on the water. Just got down.
Trinitron9.
I heard you calling my name. I heard you singing my song. And I ain't afraid of no ghosts.
Who you gonna call? Who you gonna call, Trinitron9, if you ain't afraid of no ghost?
I'm gonna call you, man. I'm gonna call you.
Brown Hornet is saying you gonna call him. I see Brown Hornet say you gonna call him, Trinitron9, if you ain't afraid of no ghost.
Well, you tell Brown Hornet I just walked on the water. You tell Brown Hornet I just walked on the water. Bye, bye, bye.
Hello, Brown Hornet. Brown Hornet, Trinitron9 said he just walked on the water. Said he just walked on the water, and he ain't afraid of no ghost.
Let me get out of the middle of the road. Let me put this thing in the rack. You take care, man. 250, all the good time gang. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Don't believe what you hear. Don't believe what you hear. I still ain't afraid of no ghosts. Trinitron9, Coney Island. Just got down.
Trinitron9, you talking to old BT out here, man. I'm just waving a hand. Hey, Trinitron9, you sounding good around the hog yard. You talking to old BT, and I'm just waving a hand. Hey, Trinitron9, good to put it on you.
Hey, BT, the video gate don't lie. Hey, BT, the video gate don't lie. I'm taking names and numbers. Hey, BT, the video gate don't lie. I'm taking names and numbers while I pass by and walk on this water. Take care, BT. Bye, bye, bye.
But I ain't afraid of no ghosts.
you getting down and I got right up. It's a dirty job, but somebody got to do it. Hey, BT, it's a dirty job, but somebody got to do it. You take care till we do it again. I'm going to pull this thing out of the middle of the deep waters of Coney Island, but I just want you to know, and I just want you to remember, I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Bye, 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 bye.
Ain't no doubt about it, 289. You got up in there. Hey, 289, you got up in there. I was telling Trinitron9 that I ain't afraid of no ghosts, but I can't walk on the water like that man. But still, I ain't afraid of no ghosts. If I try to walk on the water, I'm gonna sink. Hey, 289, Bible Thumper, get on down.
Here I come again, here I come again, taking names and numbers, riding the wave, walking on the water. Here I come again, taking names and numbers, walking on the water, riding the wave, and I ain't afraid of no ghosts. Bye, 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 bye. Yeah, ain't no doubt about it. Ain't no doubt about it. Man, I appreciate you rolling that gate on me. Ain't no doubt. I rode a darn good one on you over there, smooth operator. You got to go over there and check it out. He's loud and proud all up in there. I just called it 289 dropping the hammer. That's what I put on the heading on it. Hey, Swing Blade, you always sounding good around the yard. Oh, Bible Thumper, getting on down. Swing Blade. I can't hear Swing Blade in Coney Island. I cannot hear Swing Blade in Coney Island at this particular 236, or this particular 36. I cannot hear Swing Blade, but I still ain't afraid of no ghosts. I'm still walking on this water and riding these waves of the Coney Island. Don't believe what you hear. Don't believe what you hear. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts.
Hello, 51 out of Virginia. Hello, 51 out of Virginia. Bible Thumper, wait.
Hey, watchmaker, where did you go? Did you lose all your conditions? Hey, watchmaker, where did you go? Did you lose all your conditions? Because I'm getting ready to pull this anchor out of the deep waters of Coney Island. Hey, watchmaker, where did you go? And did you lose all your conditions? Because I will be pulling this anchor out of the deep waters of Coney Island momentarily. I will be pulling this anchor up out of these deep waters of Coney Island momentarily. No doubt about it. There's something strange in the neighborhood. Who you gonna call? I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I ain't afraid of no ghosts. I hear you in there, 94. I said, I hear you in there, 94. Saying you've been there and gone. Ain't no doubt about it. Yeah, you have. You've been there and gone. Hey, 94 Bible Thumper waving. And I heard you start to sing your song, but Bible Thumper got my ear hole. Hey, watchmaker, I heard you start to sing your song, but Bible Thumper got my ear hole. Y'all take care. I'm pulling it.